In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on Instagram post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and right here at the top right hand corner tap at plus sign and select a post to start creating a post. Here you can select any picture and then hit on next to move on to the next step, where you can select a filter, then hit on next, and now right here at a caption field you can type in here and then you can write there anything you want. I'll just type in bold text, and now all you have to do is double tap on that text and then hit on copy to copy it to clipboard, and now you can go ahead and open up your web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. And now here at the search box type in bold text and then hit on go. It moves you to that web page where you have to find lingojam.com. I like to use that site to make bold text, and then just open up that website, and here you got two text fields, and all you have to do now is just put a text that you have just copied in the first one. So I'll tap here at text field, tap on paste to paste it. And now at the second field I got different variations of the text that I have pasted here in different fonts, so I can scroll down through all of them, and once I find one that I like, I can double tap on this text to put a cursor here, and then I can copy that text, select it first, then hit copy, and now I can move on to Instagram app where I can tap at the text and then hit on paste to paste those bold text. Now I can hit on OK to apply this text, and once I'm ready I can hit on share to share this post to my Instagram profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.